Well, hi there, folks. It's Quail Mama out here producing signs of life. It is 34 out here, so the boys' water is probably okay, but I'm gonna go check on them. Still got lots of snow out here. Let's see. There's the little birdies. Oh, they're all doing good. Looks like my boys in here are doing good. Let's see. Uh-oh. Water looks mostly froze. Whoa! Did you hear that? That just came off that roof over there. Okay, let's see. Hi. Yeah, I kind of feel like... Oh, I think I got me a little case of the CBID. Yeah, you probably don't want to get too close. Oh, he did? I didn't know that.